What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy J Reed for J Reed's Love, of course. So, what are we doing? It's a beautiful day today. I may go to the track, may not, probably not. But what I am going to be doing is my street wheels over here. I think I'm going to paint those black. I'm going to paint those black. I no longer like the gunmetal. So, we're going to paint those black. Today is a good day to do it. And we're going to clean up the old Honda a little bit. And the reason is because tomorrow, maybe tomorrow, sometimes within the next couple of days, is going to the shop to get these oil leaks fixed. We're going to get it back on the road, get it doing what it do. Need to pull that battery out and get it charged back up. Just a lot of stuff I need to do for sure. And I need to do it today while I got the time. But these cars are real dusty because I don't know, it was this windstorm came through not that long ago and it made all of these cars dirty. So I really need to wash all of these cars, but we're going to take the vet and go get some paint and whatever else I need. I really need to get some gas too. I'll do that later for the Civic. But for right now, let's pull the vet out. Need to pull it out anyway to wash it, but we're going to paint these wheels first, probably at the same time while we're waiting. Y'all know the routine. Maybe not. Okay. All right. So we are back from O'Reilly's. All they had was 2 cans. I hope 2 cans will get the job done. I don't think it will though. But we got 1 can of gloss, clear coat, and 2 cans of black. We're gonna hope for the best. We got some index cord to help with a little bit of overspray. Now all I need to do, I need to clean this up a little bit. Ain't that right, boy? I need to clean the wheel up a little bit, make sure there's no dirt or anything on it, and get the paint. I know some of y'all be like, that paint gonna chip because you ain't scrubbing it. I never do. It's not my first rodeo. I'm not going to scrub it now, and it's going to last tremendously. Trust me, tremendously. Let's clean this wheel up. We got a couple of coats on this one. It's looking good. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it is looking good as expected. Probably needs about 2 more coats on it for sure. Now we need to clean these off a little bit more because I don't know if you can see it, but we got some tar on there. So we need to get those cleaned off a tad bit more, and then we will start painting this one. We tap it with the heat gun. Tap it with the heat. Yeah. Speed that process up, cause I don't wanna wait. And let's speed it up, cause I don't wanna wait. Hey, and it may rain sometime soon. We got about 4 coats on this one. I think that's gonna be it for that one. May throw another one on this one. These kind of look like the spider wheels painted black, but can't wait to see what they're gonna look like. Man, sometimes I just be getting bored, and this is one of those times, but I had been meaning to do this for some time, because to be honest with you, I never really liked the gunmetal black. I ain't gonna even lie. Never really liked it. I don't know why. So kind of glad to get these to going back black. And what I may end up doing too is selling these Nittos and putting some Mickey Thompsons on those. Yeah, some 225s. Cause I know those gonna hook. And then get rid of that other drag pack. I just be doing stuff. Sometimes I don't be knowing what I be doing. All right, let's take them down now. We got a coat of gloss on there. Let's take these bad boys down and see what they look like. We got both wheels out here now. Now I'm trying to determine if I want to leave the center cap gray or paint it black. We might leave it gray for the time being, just for a little bit of contrast, a slight bit of contrast. These bad boys are looking good. I don't see no blemishes worth noting, which is always good. We'll see how long it stays. Should last a long time. Let's get these other 2 done. So there we have it. Black. Oh man. In my opinion, that looks way better in black than it did in gunmetal. Can't wait to get them on the car and see what they look like. Ooh, funky. Turned out pretty well. We'll see how long the coats last. I don't know what that is. That's a flaw, but it's all good. Ooh, man. I like the way that turned out. Even make the Nittos look like they worth something.